My name is Morgan Johnson, and I recently graduated from Bowling Green State University in the spring of 2022 with a major in digital art and a minor in biology. I work at NASA as a full-time graphics lead for space communication and navigation. I create a variety of different graphics, including logos, print publication material, posters, signage, and videos that help explain space communication and navigation to the general public. I think the work that I do here is important because there's so many exciting projects that are going on at NASA, and I think it's so exciting to be able to show people that in a way that appeals to them and gets them to be excited about the work that's happening here as well. There's so many highly technical people that are so knowledgeable about what they do, but sometimes we need somebody to be able to translate those messages and meet people where they're at. I'm definitely grateful for my time at BGSU, leading to NASA, and to just also have that alumni network to be able to make connections and to get here too. So it's been a great experience.